చిరంజీవి గారిని ఇమిటేట్ చేయాలి.
చేయి చూసేవా ఎంత రఫ్గా ఉందో, రఫ్ వరి చేసి. I love dusting and cleaning and it's therapeutic for me.
అద్భుతం.
Let's do Kumru. English. I love to act in front of the camera. Do you?
Something.
So whatever it is, we are finally on our date.
Yes. Yeah. Rapid. నేను ఎంత ర్యాపిడ్ గా అడిగితే అంత ర్యాపిడ్ గా. ఐ నో ఫ్యూ మైట్ బి వెరీ బోరింగ్, యూ హావ్ డన్ సో మెనీ, బట్ నా కోసం
No, you're amazing, yeah.
you are like double than me. So most hated chore in the household chores. You do? అసలు ఇంట్లో హాత్ బటాతే आप?
Big time. I suffer from OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder.
काम वाले करने
झाड़ू ये वो सब कुछ मैं करती हूँ.
In spite of the servants do, you do.
Yeah, I stand on their head and I make sure they do. And it's a torture for people when I go back to my house because they're like, oh my god, आ गई वापस. अब ये सिर्फ खड़ी रहेगी. So I stand on their head and I ensure that they do it. And I love dusting and cleaning and it's therapeutic for me. I swear to you, it's therapy. I feel so good about it.
This is a wrong question.
Yeah.
Most hated
So
chore.
most hated chore, doing the dishes because my nails get bad.
Oh, okay.
That's it. Other than that, I'm okay with anything.
Okay. So God forbid, but which is that one thing that people would want to remember? మీరు అనుకుంటారు that మీరు చనిపోయిన తర్వాత కూడా జనాలు మీ గురించి ఏం గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలనుకుంటారు?
I want people to remember me for the person that I am more than my on-screen persona.
Lovely. Okay. The best vacation you ever had? You're a travel person, but which is the best vacation you had?
So many.
Be
So
the people you
many.
with, but that one thing which struck you when I asked.
When I was a kid, I used to go to Vaishno Devi every year. Okay. We still do. It's our family thing.
Wow.
And we went, so the entire family, we were like about 20 of us, cousins, everyone. We all went to Patni Top.
Okay.
Patni Top, Khajiyar, Dalhousie, up
Oh,
north in the
wow,
hills,
wow,
and it was snowing.
Dalhousie. Okay.
And for some, I remember this very clearly. Like we were kids and we were making snowmans outside
Oh, wow.
in the snow. We were very excited that it's snowing. It was like our first snow. We were really young. We were about 10,
Okay.
so 8, 9. Nisha was about 8 and I was about 10. So yeah, that's the best holiday I can think of. Top of the mind recall.
Lovely. What is on your bedside table?
A water bottle, my charger, a book, and my medicine kit, because my multivitamins and all of that.
Okay.
And what else is there? Yeah, that's it.
Okay. If you could be any cartoon character, who would you be?
Powerpuff Girl.
Yes.
One of the Powerpuff Girls.
Trying to
Yes.
say the word.
For sure.
Okay. Okay.
You want to be the other one? So I'll be one, you be one,
Time with you.
and we'll find a third one.
Yes, we'll find. How
We'll
soon?
find. So we are the Powerpuff Girls.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So మీరు ఇందాక అన్నారు బెడ్ సైడ్ టేబుల్ మీద మీకు చార్జర్ ఉంటుందని. So how much time you spend on Facebook, Twitter, Insta on a daily
Not much.
basis? Really?
Not much. Maybe just like 5-10 minutes in the morning or evening or whenever I have free time. But it's very addictive. I intentionally try not to spend time. Like you got to intentionally do it. So this year when I went for my holiday for my New Year's, I was on a social detox.
That's a part of my New Year resolution, but it's so irresponsible.
It's very tough, but you got to do it. Stick to your resolutions. Hello.
Oh yeah. How will I follow Kajal like that?
You want me to send you reminders, text messages every morning, WhatsApp messages?
Okay. Do you remember your first article about you in the newspaper?
Yes, I do. When I was 15, a really big brand for a watch had this whole campaign where they were going scouting around colleges and finding live ambassadors, like real life ambassadors for their brand randomly. Like you had to fill up a form, etc., and then they would interview you and see if you're good enough for their brand, etc. If you fit the brand identity and all of that. So I was 15 and I was like, okay, then they came to my college and I filled up the form and I went for it and I became the brand ambassador.
Wow.
And the next day in midday in Bombay, there was a huge article. And I was 15 and I thought that was my claim to fame.
Sweet, yeah.
So that was my first article.
Okay, so there you go, rapid as possible you did. Okay. కళ్ళకి కాజల్ ఎంత అందమో తెరపై తను అంతే అందం. అందానికి అభినయానికి మారు పేరు తను. ఇటు చిరుతో అటు చెర్రీతో ఇద్దరితో సరైన జోడి అనిపించుకున్న అమ్మడు. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome my girl day today, the very anticipated date on A Date with Anasuya. Finally here, the beautiful, gorgeous, talented Kajal Agarwal.
Hi.
Hi.
Finally, Anu decides to invite me, guys.
Finally, Kajal decided to come on the show.
So whatever it is, we are finally on our date.
Yes. Yeah. So, చాలా రేర్ గా గర్ల్ డేట్స్ నేను వస్తుంటాయి ఆన్
పర్వాలేదు.
Yeah.
నేను
So I'm
అబ్బాయి,
finally-
నువ్వు అమ్మాయి.
అదేంటి
So when I was a kid, I had boy cut hair and I was usually very tall. Kada. So all the other girls were pretty short and I was in a convent school. I was in St. Anne's High School.
ఓకే
I was always made to play the boy in all my school theatre and like my whatever dramatics that we had, all our school plays. I was always the boy.
how much I relate to this, Kajal. But I hated to play.
Even I hated it. I always wanted to be the girl.
You are good looking. I'm okay.
You're
good
also
looking.
gorgeous, bombshell.
So I want to
Don't fish for compliments, huh?
please from
Full
Kajal.
hottie she is. Full fishing.
Yes, thank you from Kajal, the Kajal Agarwal. Why not? Yeah. So I can play those tricks. So ye lambi hona and being the tall girl, you always get to play the Shah Rukh Khan of Kuch Kuch Hota Hai,
Yeah,
and you have two
man.
girls, short girls playing around.
Yeah.
I hated it.
Same here. But all's well that ends well.
Yes, see us today. See
Yes.
Kajal's
Okay,
day.
this is full on mutual admiration society. Guys, please don't judge us on the basis of this.
Yes. But చాలా super excited గా over excited గా కనిపిస్తున్నట్టున్నా because Kajal finally made it and
Pleasure's all mine.
Yeah, so Kajal, it's been a long journey, నేను ఆడియో లాంచెస్ హోస్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు కాజల్ వస్తుందంటే నేను బాగా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యేదాన్ని ఏమని పిలాలి అందమైన చందమామ. yes
Yeah, that's your favorite thing to
Yeah,
say. She always said that.
and
favorite
యువరాణి
Mitravinda. Yes. That was her patent introduction for me.
అండ్ చాలా యూ బిలీవ్ ఇట్ ఆర్ నాట్ కొన్ని ఎగ్జాజురేట్ అనిపించిన కాజల్ది ఇది చెప్పాం కానీ కాజల్ చూస్తే ఐ లైక్ వావ్ షబాష్ కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పావు అన్నట్టు ఉండేది నాకు. సో you've acted with almost all the superstars in Tollywood, in Tamil industry as well as Bollywood, Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan. So how is it being Kajal Agarwal?
So I feel I've been evolving since the past. It's been a decade since I've been acting. And that's a long time. I mean, I've been here for like 10 years. I've been
And still wanted.
touch wood. Thank
Yeah.
you, God. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Kajal, for being like that.
So, well, I feel I have been evolving over the past 10 years. I feel I've learnt a lot. I've made a lot of mistakes. I've learnt a lot from all my mistakes. Well behaved.
Yeah.
Grown up. Kada. I mean, age, you automatically sober down.
అస్సలు రిలేట్ అవ్వదు కాజల్తో ఏజ్ అనే ఫ్యాక్టర్.
No, I'm still sweet 16. But point is that from 8 to 16, I was 8 years old earlier.
Yeah,
now
yeah.
16. So
Yeah,
there's a
I get-
difference.
of course, yeah.
At 8, you're a kid.
Yeah.
At 16, you're a
But you're hot,
Bombshell.
whatever, whenever.
So well, I just feel like I've grown up over the years. And I feel right now I'm like the best version of myself.
So we want to know what is Kajal's education. We know that you're highly educated and
Well, I've done, I graduated in Bachelor's of Mass Media, specialized in advertising and marketing. And after that, I interned at a multinational company, which was like a compulsory internship before you graduate, before you pass out. And that's the time when I got my pictures clicked for the very first time. I faced a still camera also, ever.
okay.
And I thought I'll do modeling for a bit. But the first offer I ever got was for a movie.
Oh, okay.
And then I thought I'll do one movie and then I'll resume my education.
Okay.
I thought I'll go do my MBA.
Okay.
But well, that never happened. And it's still in the pipelines, which will get pushed to a little further. But it's not, it did not happen for 10 years. But I'm hoping that it does happen sometime in life later on.
We are glad it didn't happen.
I'm also very glad it didn't happen. Trust me, I'm super happy. I love what I do.
ఇప్పుడు TV9 నవరసాలు, దిస్ ఇస్ అ సెగ్మెంట్ ఇన్ అ డేట్ విత్ అనసూయ. ఒక సెంటెన్స్ ఇస్తాను, ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ మీకు, మీరు దాన్ని నవరసాల్లో ఎమోట్ చేయాలి. సో
You want me to enact?
యా, ద స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇస్ అమ్మడు లెట్స్ డు కుమ్ముడు. ఓకే
Okay.
సో మొదటి నవరసం వీరం.
Ammudu, let's do Kumudu.
ఇన్ వీరం స్టైల్.
Ammudu, let's do Kumudu.
క్యా బాత్ హై. కరుణ కైండ్. అమ్మడు
Ammudu, let's do Kumudu.
ఓహో అద్భుతం.
Let's do Kumudu.
ఓకే శృంగారం.
Ammudu, let's do Kumudu.
క్యా బాత్ హై. హాస్యం.
Ammudu, let's do Kumudu.
భయానకం. యు స్కేట్.
Let's do Kumudu.
ఓకే బీభత్సం. chaotic.
Ammudu, let's do Kumudu, yeah?
Hey Bhagavan, too much bhivatsam. Rautram.
Anger.
Yes.
Ammudu, let's do Kumudu.
Shantam. The last one.
Let's do Kumudu.
How sweet, this is the best. And the Shrungaram was also the best. Superb, done with it. "2017 ఎలా ఉంది కాజల్కి? ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది?"
So every year when I start my year, I have a
You have
resolution.
You
Yeah,
do?
I
You follow
fully
like till the 31st? Kind of, you try to.
try my best. In the middle, I wither off.
Middle, no, this year third day. only to
Dwindle
go.
off. Yeah, I know, third day only. So well, I try my best to stick to it as much as possible. Last year was the year of fitness and about focusing on, like, you know, travel. Last year was my year to travel. I traveled a lot.
You did? Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
This year, I'm focusing on expansion. Expansion in all fields of life. Like, I want to grow as a person.
Okay.
I want to grow as an actor. Be an actor of more substance and depth.
Okay.
And improvise on technique and improvise on nuances and try to be as natural but at the same time as believable in different sort of roles that I'm doing. And I'm trying really different roles this year. So I'm trying to expand my boundaries. I'm trying to challenge myself.
ఇంతకుముందు ఏంటి శ్రీదేవి గారు అప్పట్లో ఏఎన్ఆర్ గారితో చేసి నాగ్ సార్తో, అంటే తండ్రి, ఇప్పుడు దిస్ ఇస్ వైస్ రివర్స్. యా, సో ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ అట్ ఆల్. అండ్ ఇద్దరితో ఈక్వల్గా చిరంజీవి గారు కూడా ఒక ఇంటర్వ్యూలో చెప్పారు, ఏంటి వేరే వాళ్ళని చూద్దాం, యూనో చరణ్తో చేసిన అమ్మాయి నేను ఎలా ఓల్డ్గా అనిపిస్తాను అండ్ ఆల్ హీ సెడ్. బట్ హీ స్ట్రైవ్ సో హార్డ్ టు లుక్ సో గుడ్ విత్ యూ. And
he's done a great, he's commendable.
Yeah.
He's looking amazing. He's looking really cute, and I think he's looking young, and he's amazing.
What did Chiru sir had to say this about, you know, about this thing to you on the first days of the shoot?
Chiru sir, so I've interacted with Chiru sir a lot while I was shooting with Charan. I've done 3 movies with Charan and plus 1 guest appearance with him.
Yeah.
So, well, 4 films. And we go a really long way because his second film and my 7th film was Magadhira.
Okay.
So I used to pull his leg and I was like, I'm your senior. Hello. My 7th movie, your second movie. Like, excuse
Full
me.
bragging happened.
Yeah, fully. But, so we obviously are very good friends and we come a really long way together. I've interacted with Chiru sir a lot during my shoots with Charan. He used to come on set for my different films. He used to, like, always socially, I used to meet him. So I was well acquainted with him in any case. And of course, when I went on set, it was a little overwhelming because I was like, sir, I'm facing the camera with you. I mean, this is a first.
Sharing the space.
Yeah,
screen
sharing
space, yeah.
screen space, doing a full-fledged, I'm your heroine. I mean, hello, this is a little overwhelming. I'm a little intimidated. So he's like, don't be silly. He made me extremely comfortable.
So the famous snap came with the famous Kajal Agarwal.
What is snap game?
సో ఇలా వేస్తాను కదా సేమ్ నంబర్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఎవరు ఫస్ట్ స్నాప్ చెప్తారో వాళ్ళు ట్రూత్ ఆర్ డేర్ అడగచ్చు. ఓకే
Okay.
మీరు అనవసరంగా స్నాప్ చెప్పకండి, నా గురించి ఎవరు తెలుసుకోవాలనుకోరు. నాకు అవకాశం ఇస్తే కాజల్ గురించి చెప్పే.
Okay, so we have to say snap.
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
ద సేమ్ నంబర్.
You didn't say it. I put the card.
You were too fast, Kajal.
Okay, fine.
Thank you. So, truth or dare? Please, the adventure girl you are, say dare.
Very tempted to say dare, but
I won't make you stand from your seat at all. That kind of.
okay, dare.
Dare, okay. చిరంజీవి గారిని ఇమిటేట్ చేయాలి.
చేయి చూసేవా ఎంత రఫ్గా ఉందో. రఫ్ వారి చేసి
వాళ్ళ క్యూట్గా ఉంది, భయం అయితే ఆయన అంటే భయం వేసేది. ఓకే సూపర్.
అచ్చా చల్. I forgot the word. Okay, snap. My chance. Truth or dare?
Truth. I'm not that daring as Kajal.
There's nothing personal. We already know about your personal life.
Okay, dare. Okay.
Correct.
Okay.
I'm gonna play Amudu Kumudu from your song, from your phone. You're gonna dance and show me.
The rule was not get up.
Give
from
me
this.
your. So here only dance. Just upper body dance. It's okay. Don't move your legs. Come. Come now. It'll be fun. Show play. Give song.
Hey, Bhagwan. Chit, 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 chit. I will do Kajal, but I don't know how.
Come on. Woohoo! Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Woohoo! Good job.
Oh,
proud
God.
of you. Proud. Very proud you made me, baby.
Oh, God.
Even though I'm wearing tight clothes.
Thank you.
Good job.
కాజల్, మీరు ఇప్పుడు మెగా హీరోయిన్ అని పిలవబడుతున్నారు ఫర్ ద రైట్ రీజన్స్. ఆబ్వియస్లీ చరణ్, బన్నీ, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు, చిరంజీవి గారు. సో హౌ డు యూ జస్టిఫై దట్?
Well,
ఇంకా కవర్ చేసే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారంటారా?
yeah, I've not worked with Sai Dharam Tej and
And
Varun
Varun,
Tej.
yeah.
So next,
Yeah,
I need to work with them next.
Super.
Well, it's been wonderful working with all four of them, and they are all, of course, extremely talented, and of course, very professional. They have a legacy, of course, and I just feel like they've all just born to be superstars. You know, they're all born to be here. They're fabulous at what they do, and all four of them are so committed and hardworking and professional.
Okay, there's too much of admiration happening, Kajal.
I know.
I hope you don't mind. నేను ఫేక్ తున్నా అనుకోవద్దు మీరు. డోంట్ టేక్ ఇట్ అట్
I
ఆల్ దట్ ఐమ్
won't.
ఫేకింగ్ ఇట్ బికాజ్ యూ యాక్చువల్లీ డిజర్వ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దట్. సో బికాజ్ దెర్ ఇస్ వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్. ఐఎమ్ లైక్ ఏమనుకుంటుందో కాదు, బట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ ట్రూ.
Okay, thank you.
You have acted with more than.
This is my Miss India moment. Let me enjoy it, please.
Okay,
Thank you.
Sing it all.
I'd like to thank my mom.
Oh God!
And I'd like to thank.
Not yet. So a question ఏంటంటే ఒక హీరోయిన్ ఒకరితో చేశారు, అక్కడ ఓకే బాత్ గయా అయిపోయింది, సినిమా అయిపోయింది. బట్ మీరు 2-3 ఫిల్మ్స్ చేశారు ఒకళ్ళతో, అండ్ దే స్టిల్ హ్యావ్ సో మెనీ నైస్ థింగ్స్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ యూ. హౌ డు యూ మెయింటైన్ దిస్? ఇట్స్ వెరీ హ్యూమన్లీ ఇంపాసిబుల్ యాక్చువల్లీ, అండ్ దట్ బీయింగ్ అ సూపర్ స్టార్ లైక్ దిస్.
I just do my work, Anu. I do my work very professionally. I have a great working rapport with everyone I've worked with. And yeah, I mean, as long as you're sincere with your job and you want to get the particular shot right or that particular scene right, and you're focused and you're dedicated to your job, I think that's all it takes. But yes, I've been very fortunate to work with such amazing people over and over again. 2 films, 3 films, again signed films. So well, I am very happy about that. And I just feel that our industry has a really large heart.
Actually, Kajal is saying that just mind your own business. And don't actually, in a nicer way.
In a nicer way. Politically correct manner.
Correct.
She's a smart girl, she got it. Well, that's true, to be honest, in those many words, yes. But minding your own business, one. Number two is just like be professional and courteous enough. As long as you respect others and you respect their time and their effort,
Totally agree.
you're going to get that respect back.
Yeah, the world is your mirror. So
Exactly. So, well, I'm extremely respectful with everyone I work with, be it my co-star or my director or even the, the technicians.
sweet.
So, I treat everyone very equally on set.
ఎక్కువగా సంతృప్తినిచ్చిన సాటిస్ఫై చేసిన ఇండస్ట్రీ ఏది? సారీ ఫర్
Complicated question. Very. I started with Telugu.
You did.
So, I am very partial to Telugu. It has a special place in my heart. But having said that, I think the Tamil industry is extremely superior when it comes to scripts and creativity. And Hindi is my language. So it's genuinely a very difficult spot to choose. But like I said, I'm partial to Telugu.
Okay, we got the answer. We wanted that answer. Ammaya, I was finger crossed అన్నమాట. Being a superstar actress, చాలా ఫాలోయింగ్ ఉంటుంది, అందులో బోల్డ్ అంత ఇబ్బందికరమైన పరిస్థితులు కూడా ఫేస్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది. సో ఎప్పుడైనా విచ్ ఇస్ దట్ సిచ్యువేషన్, నేను ఇప్పుడు అడగంగానే ఇలాంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఫేస్ చేశారా మీరు? హౌ డు యూ హ్యాండిల్ సచ్ థింగ్స్?
With great fame comes great responsibility.
Yes, it does.
So, well, I believe in that completely, and I try my level best to be as responsible as possible. I'm answerable to people. I am imitated and aped, especially when it comes to young kids. I don't want them to look at me and imitate me for the wrong reasons or try to imitate something wrong that I possibly do. So I'm very careful about what I do, and I try to live a moralistic, idealistic, which is very difficult, but I try my level best. If someone looks up to me as a role model, I want to ensure that I can make a difference in their life in the right way.
కాజల్, మీరు ఇప్పుడు చూస్ చేసుకుని ఇప్పుడు చేసిన సినిమాలు అన్నిట్లో ఎవ్రీబడి ఈస్ ట్రయింగ్ దట్ వీ హ్యావెంట్ సీన్ యూ. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ థింగ్ విచ్ ఈస్ స్టిల్ లెఫ్ట్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రై?
నాకు యాక్షన్ చాలా ఇష్టం. I want to do a full-fledged action film where I am kicking ass.
డైరెక్టర్స్ మీకు తెలుసా విషయం?
Exactly, hello. Please note, to be noted.
Yeah.
And I want to do, I love comedy. It's my favorite genre. I love comedy.
Okay.
So I want to do a full-fledged comedy film.
Okay.
Yeah.
These two are there.
Yeah, and I want to also play a negative role.
The bad girl, huh?
Mission accomplished. If you can play the baddie, mission accomplished.
Yeah. Oh. No, everybody wants Kajal to be their girlfriend, or they want a sister like Kajal.
Yeah. I'm really fortunate.
Yeah, you know, we keep seeing yours and Nisha's love you shower on Nisha. So how is the relation? You're too protective about
I'm very protective of my sister. I love her to bits.
Yes.
She's my little doll. And we are very close. You know, she's my best friend. She's my sweetheart. She's like my daughter to me. But it's so weird because my sister, she treats me like as if I'm the vulnerable one who actually needs the protection.
Don't do this, don't do that. She keeps
She doesn't call me Didi Vidi. What rubbish.
No? Okay.
Kajal. Yeah. She's only 2 years younger than me.
Okay.
1 year and like some 7 months.
Okay.
Yeah.
My sister will kill me. 1 year younger, I said, call sister, what is this?
I also tried, yeah. She didn't listen. How much we used to fight like crazy when we were younger. Cats and dogs.
Oh, God.
We used to beat, guys, please don't do this. Don't try this at home, okay? But we used to, confidential information, we used to fight like crazy.
Yeah?
Oof! We used to hit each other, pull each other's hair. We had rules in fights. So during our physical fights, we had rules. No touching face and above. Attack, down, neck and below is allowed. You can hit, punch, box, do whatever.
Oh, God.
But no pulling hair, no scratching, and no touching the face.
And you followed the rules in that anger of fights, no?
Once you touch my hair, I will pull all your hair out. That's what used to happen.
Oh,
We never
God,
followed
this is such
anything.
fun. Craziest prank played by you, and on whom?
I once acted in front of Vamsi like I broke my foot.
You did? Vamsi Padipalli, you did?
It was April Fool's Day and he fell for it. And I was limping.
The actor you are.
And
of course.
I acted like I've broken my foot and I called him up and I said, Ronnie's taking me to the hospital. And
And
I'm
everybody
in a
got
really bad. He was so stressed. He said, which hospital are you in? Which hospital? I said, meet me at this hospital. And he went there and he's like, which room are you in? Hello, where are you? And I told him, listen, I'm alone. Mom and dad have not come with me. You please come. So he went to the hospital and then I was like, April Fool.
Oh God.
He was so mad at me. He was so angry. Oh my God. He was really mad at me. Yeah, that's a really evil prank to play. Guys, don't do that at home.
But
Get creative. Do more fun stuff. This is boring.
Kajal, మీరు మీకు ఆల్రెడీ ఒక అవార్డ్ కూడా వచ్చింది దట్ యు ఆర్ దిస్ very active on social networking sites. You received an award too. So before you came here, I did a small thing from my end. I stole on Twitter that Kajal is coming by the way. So shoot your questions. So we have like, oh my God, ippude chuskunna nenu. So are you ready? Let me just
Yes,
pick
of
few.
course, sure.
Okay, so Priya is asking, who is your favorite Hindi actor or actress?
Hi Priya, favorite Hindi actor? I think Amir is a great actor and I think Salman's a superstar.
Wow.
And favorite Hindi actress? I've always been a huge fan of Sridevi and I still love her.
See, people are comparing ఇప్పుడు శ్రీదేవి తర్వాత కాజలే ఇద్దరు
My God, oh my God, too much, too much.
Okay, and Manu is asking some words about Tarak.
Hi Manu, Tarak is one of the most genuine, honest people I've ever worked with. He says whatever is in his heart. He's got the cleanest heart. And he's one of the most active, talented actors ever. Also, one of my favorite dancers. And it's always a pleasure working with him. And he knows that. And he pulls my leg big time. And yeah, I mean, it's just a really wonderful camaraderie that Tarak and I share. So he's extremely special as a co-star.
Okay, so Yash, next question was that Yash Adgaru, what's her next project in Telugu?
My next project's in Telugu. I'm doing a film with Rana, directed by Teja sir. And not just Telugu, I'm also doing Tamil. I'm doing a film with Vijay, again for the third time. And I'm doing a film
See that?
with
Wow.
Ajit for the first time.
Oh, wow. Okay, so Akshaya Reddy, putting you in spot. Who is a better dancer? Chiru or Charan?
Hi Akshaya, very easy.
Oh,
Chiranjeevi sir,
hi.
without a doubt.
Kya baat. Ever feel over
But that's how the son gets it, na? From the dad, the son gets it. It's genetic.
Superb. So almost all the questions have been about you being called mega heroine. ఇది కూడా నేను అడిగేసాను అయిపోయింది. అరే కొత్తగా ఏమైనా ఆలోచించండి, అనసూయలాగా ఆలోచిస్తారేంటి మీరు? ఐ వాస్ట్. సో there you go, you're done with this. So Kajal, మీకు of course you're like so busy in doing so many projects. Free time దొరుకుతుందా? దొరికినప్పుడు మీకు చేయాలనిపించే ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ ఏంటి?
I travel, I read, I watch films, I catch up on TV shows, catch up with family and friends.
TV shows?
Yeah, baby. And I cook occasionally.
Oh, we see that baking.
Yes.
Yes.
Exactly.
Thanks
She
for
is
the
my
recipe.
avid follower.
Yes, yes.
I like.
The recipe of the cake, the brownie.
Absolutely. So my mom's a baker. So
Okay.
I try to imitate. And I do
As
a lot
good
of
as her?
No.
No.
Not even close, not a patch. So that's my thing. Like I want to be as good as my mom in everything.
Super, super.
Yeah, she's like my full role model types.
Kajal, you love to travel కాబట్టి మీకు ఫ్రీగా ఎయిర్ టికెట్ ఇస్తే ఫస్ట్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తారు?
Caribbean Islands?
Oh, that's why you want. You've been there?
No.
You want
That's why I want to go. Free में जाऊंगी.
So Kajal కి దేని గురించి phobic about? Phobia.
Reptiles. Deep ocean. But to overcome that phobia, so this is what I do. So if I'm phobic about something, I try to challenge myself and try to do it purposely to get over my phobia.
Scuba.
I did deep sea diving
Okay.
and I went down 40 meters.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so initially it was a little scary, but then it was the best experience of my life. Oh, so what do I do in my free time? I do a lot of adventure sports.
You do?
Yeah, like I love adventure and I'm quite an adventure junkie. I skydive, I deep sea dive. Not certified yet, but a couple of more dives than I should be.
So these things are only unbelievable actually. Looking so gorgeous and so flawless and do all these adventures like the rugged and stuff.
I tried surfing last year.
Okay.
Yeah, and this year I went mountain climbing,
Okay.
like a lot hardcore trek.
Let's get caught in the act.
Okay, what is that?
Headphones. So Kajal is ready to get caught in the act. So Kajal, me first sentence. నీ కళ్ళల్లో నీ కళ్ళల్లో నీ
నీ
కళ్ళల్లో
కళ్ళల్లో
కళ్ళు పెట్టి చూస్తే కళ్ళు పెట్టి కళ్ళు You're
నీ
right.
కళ్ళల్లో
కళ్ళు పెట్టి
సంథింగ్ పెట్టి
చూస్తే
చూస్తా
అంతే.
అంతే.
నీ కళ్ళల్లో కళ్ళు పెట్టి చూస్తే అంతే.
నీ కళ్ళల్లో
కళ్ళు
కన్ను పెట్టి చూస్తే అంతే.
ఎస్.
వాట్ నీ
నీ
కళ్ళల్లో
కళ్ళల్లో కళ్ళు పెట్టి చూస్తే అంతే.
అచ్చా నీ కళ్ళలో కళ్ళు పెట్టి అంతే
చూస్తే
చూస్తే
అంతే.
అంతే. నాట్ బ్యాడ్ యా.
Very
Guys.
good. Oh God, very good, yeah. Okay. Second one.
Change the song now. Play some other song. She's playing it on such loud volume, guys. I'm going to become deaf.
जो जीता जो हिंदी okay हिंदी it's हिंदी जो
You.
जो जीता वही सिकंदर जो it's हिंदी
Hindi.
हाँ जो
जो
जीता
जीता
वही
वही सिकंदर.
okay now the last
Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Ready?
okay సన్న జాజిలా పుట్టేసిందిరో సన్న జాజి
Hindi.
తెలుగు
Telugu.
సన్న జాజిలా పుట్టేసిందిరో మల్లె తీగల చుట్టేసిందిరో
What?
సుందరి
Slow.
ఓకే
ఒక word, ఒక time లో.
సన్న జాజి ఇది చెప్పకపోతే ఎలా కాజల్ చెప్పకపోతే ఎలా యువర్ సాంగ్
My song.
సన్న జాజిలా చిచి సన్న జాజిలా పుట్టేస్తుందిరో మల్లె తీగల కుట్టేస్తుందిరో మత్తు మందునే చల్లేస్తుందిరో సుందరి ఓ గాడ్ సుందరి యు గేవ్ అప్
Aha. What?
సన్న జాజిలా పుట్టేస్తుంది
Oh my God. 2 out of 3. Chalo.
Oh,
Not
very
bad.
good, very
Not
good.
bad, right? Now you watch.
time
Chal. Bachchu. Where?
okay
Number is busy. Please try after some time. Number is
Telugu
busy. English.
oh god
Number.
double
Number.
dumble
Number.
second word
Is.
double is
Busy.
busy
Please. Try
tried
after
after
some.
number is busy please try after some time how sweet you are Kajal
Wow.
you've been very nice to me I didn't see no I don't cheat
Okay. Okay, second. Ready? Secrets అడిగితే చంపేస్తా.
English
Telugu.
Telugu
Secret.
singer CT
Secrets.
serious
Secrets అడిగితే చంపేస్తా.
చంపేస్తా
Secret అడిగితే చంపేస్తా.
సంథింగ్ చేస్తే చంపేస్తా వాట్ చేస్తే
Secret. Should I act? Secret.
సీక్రెట్
అడిగితే
చంపేస్తా సీక్రెట్ అడిగితే కాజల్ నేను చంపేస్తా అంది బ్రేకింగ్ న్యూస్ హెడ్లైన్స్ బట్ నో యా అన్నీ అడగకుండా చెప్పేసింది దేవతే కాజల్
English. I love to act in front of the camera. Do you?
Something.
I love
I love
to act.
20
To act. Let's increase the volume a little bit.
full volume.
Okay, full volume. Okay, guys. She's not cheating. Okay. I love to act.
I love
To act.
quack.
You love quack? What's quack?
Quack. I
Quack,
love
quack.
Quack, quack.
You love Donald Duck. She likes Donald Duck. Okay. I love to act
Continue.
in front of the camera.
Camera. I love
To act
to act
in front. In front.
in front of the camera.
Do you?
You?
Do you?
Huh?
Do you?
Do you? Okay. How sweet. She was very, very nice and kind to me.
I love quack. Do you?
You know that to act is quack types to act.
I love quack. Do you? Now every time I see her, I'm going to say this. I love quack. Do you?
I quack.
I quack. Do you?
Oh God, you were so good, man. Okay, మీరు యాక్చువల్లీ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 3 2 చెప్పారు కానీ నేను మూడిట్లోనూ మీ మొత్తం ఐ టుక్ ఆల్ ద పాసిబుల్ హింట్స్ ఫ్రమ్ యూ నో బట్ యు ఓన్లీ విన్ బికాజ్
How?
బికాజ్ యు
Let's be fair, babe. You won. Okay?
No, but
Enjoy
I-
it. Enjoy it. Enjoy the glory. Say thank you nicely. Give us a victory speech. Quick, 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 fast.
ఓ మై గాడ్ ఐ కాంట్ బిలీవ్ కాజల్ డేట్ కి రావడంతో పాటు నన్ను గెలిపించారు దిస్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ థింగ్
Anasuya. Anasuya.
you've been so nice and kind to me on the show so you get because you're as fresh as a flower always
Oh, thank you. How sweet. I love flowers.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
and also a small labanel treat.
Yummy. Thank you. Love chocolates. But I'm supposed to be on a diet, Anu. But
Actually,
anyway,
jealous
I'm
that
going to eat this.
Kajal is always so
Thank
prim
you.
and prop. Brownies.
That's why she's giving me brownies. So she just told me that she liked me earlier when I was fat.
Yeah.
So now she wants me to again become one Golu Polu.
No.
Eating all this.
No.
But I will still eat it.
खाता पीता खानदान की.
हाँ यार, खाते पीते घर के हैं.
So thank you Kajal so much
Thank
for
you.
being the person you are.
Thank you.
And
Pleasure
we
is
have
all
seen you evolve as a superstar.
Well, I'm happy that I'm here and I'm happy that I get the love and appreciation and so much encouragement from all you guys. And trust me, I love you guys a lot more.
We love you more than that, twice as much. Just be there. Just stay you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Lovely talking to you.
ద సూపర్ స్టార్ కాజల్ నుంచి ఒక చిన్న స్టెప్ నేర్చుకునే అద్భుతమైన అవకాశం నేడే చూడండి.
This is not a my song. This is the boss song. Hey, ఎర్ర చొక్కానే నీ కోసం వేసాను సర్రమంటూ ఫారిన్ సెంటే కొట్టాను గళ్ళ లుంగిని ట్రెండీగా కట్టాను కళ్ళ చూడెత్తి నీ కోసం వచ్చాను అమ్మడు లెట్స్ డు కుమ్ముడు Hey, ఎర్ర చొక్కానే నీ కోసం వేసాను సర్రమంటూ ఫారిన్ సెంటే కొట్టాను గళ్ళ లుంగిని ట్రెండీగా కట్టాను కళ్ళ చూడెత్తి నీ కోసం వచ్చాను అమ్మడు లెట్స్ డు కుమ్ముడు
ఎర్ర చీరేమో ఈ రోజే కొన్నాను నల్ల జాకెట్ నైట్ అంతా కుట్టాను బాలు జల్లోన మందారం పెట్టాను కన్నె ఒళ్ళంతా సింగారం చుట్టాను పిల్లడు లెట్స్ డూ కుమ్ముడు
ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ప్రొఫైల్ పిక్చర్ లాగా భలే మస్తుందని అందం మల్ల